A continuación, lección educativa de inglés, séptimo grado. Bloque 1. Lengua oral, escucha. Secuencia 3. Following the rules. Programa 3. Do it yourself. Expectativa de logro. Dar y seguir órdenes.
En esta lección educativa aprenderemos a recibir y dar órdenes, por lo que haremos uso del modo imperativo de los verbos en inglés. Para empezar, daremos algunas pistas del uso del modo imperativo. En primer lugar, definiremos el modo imperativo. The imperative mood is a grammatical mood that forms a command or request. En segundo lugar, señalaremos que el modo imperativo es usado en la segunda persona singular y plural, lo que permite que el pronombre se pueda omitir, ya que se sobreentiende. Study mathematics. Do the homework. Listen to that song. En tercer lugar, indicaremos que el modo imperativo puede usarse en afirmativo o negativo, pero no interrogativo. Por último, indicaremos que el hecho que en el modo imperativo se den órdenes. Esto no quita que dichas órdenes se pueda dar con cortesía, es decir, utilizando la palabra please, o sea, por favor. Bring me your homework, please. Please be quiet. Pay attention, please. Ahora conozcamos las órdenes que se dan en un salón de clases para mantener la clase ordenada. Pick up those papers, please. Pick up those papers, please. Please clean your desks. Please clean your desks. Put those books on the shelf, please. Put those books on the shelf, please. Please store those pencils in the drawer. Please store those pencils in the drawer. Dust the shelf, please. Dust the shelf, please. Please sweep the floor. Please sweep the floor. Mop the floor, please. Mop the floor, please. Rules of behavior in the classroom. Raise your hand to talk. Raise your hand to talk. Don't talk in class. Don't talk in class. Be quiet during class. Be quiet during class. Ask permission to go to the restroom. Ask permission to go to the restroom. Don't run in halls. Don't run in halls. Be punctual. Be punctual. Don't throw papers on the floor. Don't throw papers on the floor. Keep the school clean. Keep the school clean. Don't use your cell phone in class. Don't use your cell phone in class. Ask permission to stand up. Ask permission to stand up. Respect your classmates. Respect your classmates. Respect your classmates' opinion. Respect your classmates' opinion. Don't write on the walls and chairs. Don't write on the walls and chairs. Wait for the recess to eat. Wait for the recess to eat. Ahora que ya tenemos las ideas, escribámoslas en una cartulina y las pegamos en el aula.